Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable Hyper-V in Windows features and make sure CPU virtualization is on in BIOS. Once done, create a dedicated folder on NTFS and place the guest ISO there, because VHDX performance depends on file system. Next, open Hyper-V Manager and run New Virtual Machine. Follow the wizard to name it and assign generation 1 or 2. Make sure to allocate memory and set the network switch. This gets you into the practical setup quickly and correctly. You will now configure the VM's resources and devices. Allocate startup RAM and maximum RAM, choosing dynamic memory when multiple VMs share a host. This optimizes usage. Then create a VHDX, pick fixed for consistent performance or dynamic to save host space, and attach it to the proper SCSI or IDE controller. After that, connect the VM to a virtual switch, set NIC options and VLAN ID if required. Finally, adjust processor count and resource control settings to match the workload, so VMs run predictably. You finish by installing the guest OS from the mounted ISO and then adding Hyper-V integration services for time, drivers, and shutdown. Once installed, test networking, disk I/O and create a checkpoint before major changes. If the VM won't boot, first confirm you picked the correct generation and secure boot setting, then verify the ISO checksum and VHDX attachment. If networking fails, make sure the virtual switch is linked to the correct adapter. These final steps complete deployment and give you a clear troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.